speaking for ECHO, the Environmental Children's Organization.
And I school strike outside the Swedish Parliament House until the Swedish election, which is September 9th.
I don't know what chemicals are in it. I used to go fishing in Vancouver, my home, with my dad, until just a few years ago we found the fish.
On Friday,
La biodiversité dans l'agenda international avec la même importance
outside the Parliament
pour le
House
changement que la lutte
and also in other places in Sweden.
Avec des responsabilités au cours du dernier demi-siècle qui sont énormes, de fait par l'agriculture industrielle et intensive, de fait par l'étalement urbain, de fait par les pollutions générées par nos activités.
Et les amoureux de la nature qui se préoccupent vraiment de ces problèmes de crise de biodiversité. Il faut que ça soit ensemble de notre société.
I'm only a child and I don't have those. But I want you to realize, neither do you. You don't know how to fix the holes in our ozone layer. You don't know how to bring the salmon back up a dead stream. You don't know how to bring back an animal now extinct. And you can't bring back the forest that once grew where there is now a desert. If you don't know how to fix it, please stop breaking it. Here, you may be delegates of your government, business people, organizers, reporters, or politicians, but really, your mothers and fathers, sisters and brothers, aunts and uncles, and all of you are someone's child. I'm only a child, yet I know we are all part of a family, 5 billion strong. In fact, 30 million species strong. And borders and governments will never change that.
I wanted to feel the fear I feel every day. And then I wanted to act.